The ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni represents a major leap in home automation, taking robot cleaning to a level that eliminates nearly all daily maintenance. ECOVACS has spent years refining its Omni system, and the T80 series combines every major upgrade, from suction power to water management. When you look at the robot for the first time, you realize it's designed for modern lifestyles, minimalist homes, busy families, pet owners, and people who simply don't want to manually vacuum ever again. The design is sleek, futuristic, and built with practical engineering at its core. It's not just a cleaning gadget, it's an integrated smart home device. One of the biggest talking points is the massive 18,000 PA suction power. To put this into perspective, most mid-range robot vacuums offer between 2,000 and 5,000 PA. The T80 Omni offers more than triple that. This level of suction allows it to remove deeply embedded dust from carpet fibers, pick up larger debris on hard floors, and clean pet hair effortlessly. In real-world use, you can actually hear it pulling dirt that other robots leave behind. For homes with pets or children who tend to leave crumbs and messes everywhere, this level of extraction makes a significant difference. Navigation is another area where ECOVACS dominates. The DEEBOT T80 Omni uses advanced INA 2.0 AI-powered obstacle recognition, which means it can see and understand the objects in front of it instead of simply avoiding anything that looks different. It can detect shoes, power cables, socks, toys, weighing scales, pet bowls, and even small barriers that older robots often bump into. The result is smoother, more efficient cleaning sessions. The robot builds accurate maps of your home using laser navigation, and the app allows you to customize room boundaries, virtual walls, cleaning intensity, water flow, and even mop-only or vacuum-only modes. One of the flagship features is the OZMO Roller Mop with TruEdge cleaning technology. Instead of the traditional spinning mop pads, this roller design applies consistent downward pressure, scrubbing floors more like a manual mop would. It makes a noticeable difference on dried stains, coffee spills, muddy footprints, and kitchen grease. TruEdge ensures the roller mop reaches close to walls and corners, areas where circular mops usually fail. The result is a more complete clean with fewer missed spots. Equally important is the Zero-Tangle brush system, which is a lifesaver for pet owners. Traditional vacuum brushes often get tangled with hair, requiring manual cutting or regular maintenance. Zero-Tangle technology reduces hair wrapping to almost zero by using a V-shaped bristle system combined with dual combing edges. After several cleaning sessions, you can inspect the brush and see how effectively it rejects hair. This means less cleaning, less effort, and more long-term convenience. The all-in-one Omni station is where the magic happens. This station washes the roller mop automatically, scrubs it clean, drains dirty water, refills clean water into the robot, empties the dustbin, and finally dries the mop with hot air to prevent odors. In many homes, the station becomes the heart of the cleaning system. Once the robot finishes cleaning, the station handles everything, making the system almost fully hands-free. For busy users, this changes the way you think about home cleaning. You don't need to touch dirty water, open the robot, or worry about moldy mop pads. Battery performance is another strong area. The T80 Omni can clean large homes without needing mid-session recharging. But if the robot does run low, it automatically returns to the station, charges up, and resumes cleaning exactly where it stopped. This auto-resume feature is essential for homes with multiple rooms or multiple floors. The app also supports multi-floor mapping, meaning you can pick up the robot and take it upstairs without losing your settings. App features are extensive and incredibly useful. You can create advanced room schedules, clean specific areas, designate high mess zones, enable deep mopping for stubborn spills, set voice assistant integration, and even view the real-time cleaning path. ECOVACS updates its app frequently, ensuring the robot benefits from AI improvements over time. For users who love customization, this robot provides one of the most advanced software ecosystems available in 2025. In real use, the T80 Omni stands out on both hard floors and carpet. The robot automatically increases suction when it detects carpet, ensuring deep cleaning without manual adjustments. The roller mop lifts automatically when approaching carpeted areas, preventing moisture damage. This dual system intelligence allows mixed-floor households to enjoy thorough cleaning without intervention. On tile floors, the scrubbing action is powerful enough to make the surface look freshly mopped every time. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T80 Omni is not just a robot vacuum, it's a complete home cleaning solution. With its extreme suction, advanced AI navigation, Zero-Tangle brush system, high-efficiency roller mop, and fully automated Omni station, it stands out as one of the most capable smart home cleaning robots of 2025. For anyone who wants a truly hands-free cleaning experience, especially in homes with kids, pets, or heavy daily use, the T80 Omni is worth considering as a premium long-term investment.